Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi on your Sonos system using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Sonos app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Once the app opens, look at the top right corner and tap on Settings. In the Setting menu, tap on System or Switch System. This will show you all the Sonos products connected to your account. Now scroll down and tap on Network. You will see your current Wi-Fi settings. Next, tap on Manage Networks, then tap Update Networks. The app will now guide you through moving your Sonos speaker to a new Wi-Fi. Just follow the on-screen instruction. The app will ask you to temporarily connect to your Sonos speaker using Bluetooth or a temporary Wi-Fi signal. Once it finds your Sonos, you will be asked to enter the Wi-Fi name and password. After entering the info, the app will connect your Sonos speaker to the new Wi-Fi. It might take a minute or two, and that's it. You have just updated your Sonos Wi-Fi using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.